Welcome to my kitchen. What do we do in the kitchen? Why, we make food, of course. And I'm here to teach you how to make a spaghetti dinner in 5 minutes. The instructions are going to be in 5 minutes. If it really was in 5 minutes, make the dish in 5 minutes, it would be a really cold, hard soup. For starters, we have a pot. What's this? It's a pot inside of it. Why, it's a strainer pot. That's right, once we're done, we can just twist and shout, and the water comes all out. This here is our utensils. The wooden spoons you see will be used during the cooking phase. The big one here for the pasta and the small one for the sauce. The spatula will be used for meat, and the little and this fork spoon here will be used for serving the pasta. This little oven tub here comes with this little heat one that can use adjust temperature with. Perfect for first-time users so that we can actually adjust the heat as you see fit. And of course, what meal can't be complete without our ingredients? We have pasta, we have sauce, we have our meat, and we have a side. Make sure to wash your hands at all times. Right, now we will put the pot on the stove, turn the heat up, and we shall wait until it fully boils over. Just kidding. We'll be doing something else in the meantime, don't worry. This will take some long time, even the highest heat. Then carefully, not just dump it out, take out each piece of the meat you have one to serve and put it into the pan. Come on, you little bastard. Get in there. Put the lid down. Set it to low heat, that way you can get started, but not so we can actually be completed in time. And that's about it for now. Just wait a couple minutes, check on the water, make sure it's boiling, make sure the meat doesn't burn, have everything ready in advance. Just be ready, but be patient. A watch pot does not boil is true, trust me. It will take time. By the way, this here is not boiling water. It's close to boiling, but it's not boiling. This here is boiling water. That is boiling water. So just turn it down a notch. So get your pasta in the pot, and using a wooden spoon, really the biggest one you have available, stir a bit. You don't have to stir all the time, just make sure you're stirring plenty. Take out a black pan like this, and spray it with butter. We're using croissants today, not an Italian dish, but we're gonna make it Italian. Pretend these are croissants. They kind of a little bit malformed. Now set it to the temperature it wants to be, in this case 375. And to complete the transformations from croissants, French food to Italian, we're going to be using the butter spray again, and some garlic powder, because garlic equals Italian, right? Right? Throw a little bit on the garlic, you don't want to overdo it. Make sure to keep on washing your hands whenever possible, because who knows, a germ might get in. Now, once the heat is ready, or is close to, just go ahead and put them in. Now then, here's the last step. The sauce. Take a small pot like this, and just go ahead and dump in the sauce as much as you like. Preferably just the whole jar in the end. We're a three-man family, requires the whole jar. Now, what's important to know is that you should never ever try to rush the sauce. Low heat, always low heat, or number 2, preferably. Now, occasionally you should take a wooden spoon to it and just gently stir it, just make sure it doesn't burn or anything. Also, make sure to check the pasta every so often, stirring it occasionally, and checking if it wants to be the firmest you like. Now, with the water all done, you take it off the heat. And we take it over to the sink, and we dump it, like so. Twist and shout until the water all comes out. And put it in the bowl over here. Ooh. Make sure the meat is nice and cooked all the way through. And once they're done, make sure to take out your malformed croissants out. Your garlic croissants, mind you. They're Italian. Make sure the sauce is nice and hot. Grab a bowl. Take your serving spoon. Put in the spaghetti and... Oh, silly me, I forgot. We need to cut up our chicken first using these kitchen scissors. These are really good. Get some. And voila! You're done! Spaghetti dinner is by far the medium road for cooking. It's not difficult, but you need to put some focus on it, otherwise you end up burning one of the components. I hope you learned something here, and I hope I got you interested in actually doing this thing on your own. Have fun, good eats.